First time trying Georgian Onis here in SM Mega Mall. We ordered the garlic fried rice. Perfect texture ng rice and very garlicky. Super good. This is their pancit tapa. Very tasty. Tamang-tama yung pagkakaluto. Sisig, this was a meh for us. Medyo makunat yung pork. Their molo soup was just okay. Kulang sa alat. I don't know if sinadya nila yon. Para kanya-kanya na lang timpla ng seasonings, 'di ba? But itong pinaka-meat, masarap. Nagustuhan din namin itong pork humba nila. Ito yung sauce pa lang, ulam na. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat. They serve really good kare-kare. They also serve really strong coffee. The Sancherville was so good too. Sagana sa nuts and yung kunat niya is just right. Very enjoyable kainin. Nagustuhan ko rin yung classic chocolate nila, moist and chocolatey. And of course, all the pastries that they're offering look so delicious. Sister company yata sila ng Wildflower, kaya makikita mo very similar yung mga pastries na ino-offer nila. We tried some and sobrang na-enjoy namin to. We tried their scones and masarap pero syempre iba pa rin yung scones sa UK. But lahat ng pastries na na-try namin, very good quality. Kayo, na-try nyo na rin ba itong Georgian Onis?